This Evans Midwest 2480 overarm sink router is a compact, heavy-duty system for quickly cutting sinkholes and countertops. The spindle is powered by a 3.5 horsepower Balder 220-volt three-phase motor. This 2480 overarm router includes 2 pneumatically operated clamps. This machine features a dual pivot joint, allowing the operator to easily follow the guide template in virtually any pattern, reducing operator fatigue while maintaining product consistency and accuracy.